Let's make some lunch for my kids. Today I made Mul Naengmyeon. Mul means water. Naengmyeon means cold noodles. So it's basically watery cold noodles. It's one of my favorite Korean dishes and it's perfect for lunch because you eat it cold. Using a peeler, I just made some thin slices of cucumber. I like to add the cucumber and the hard-boiled egg as my topping for the naengmyeon. Of course, I'm gonna make zigzag cuts around the middle. You're just gonna make diagonal zigzags all around. You don't want to pierce the yolk though, and ta-da! Some restaurants will add some fruit like Korean pear, apple, or some peach for their naengmyeon, and I'm adding some peach. On the side, in a thermos cup, I'm adding a slightly frozen broth for the noodles. It's called Yuksu, and it'll be nice and cold for her. Lastly, some sesame seeds. And now for the note, I'm writing, "Hi Addie, I hope today is going great. You get your locker today. So exciting. XO, love you so much."